Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate a couple string functions which are strcat and strcpy in C. So I've included my main header file and I have my main function, and to use these string functions I actually have to include another header file. So I'm going to do that, and the header file is going to be string.h. Okay, and we have to have a destination character array to concatenate, which is like string cat, to use that. So I'm going to create that one, and I'm going to give it up to 99 characters, not counting the null character. Now the reason being is the destination character array has to be able to take in the source as well. So the first one's going to be name. That's going to take in a source that I'm going to call phrase. And I'm just going to initialize the phrase one. So I'm going to say equals, and the space is the coolest character on Supernatural. And I'll put an exclamation point here and end that line. And then I'm going to use the string copy, so strcpy, and I'm going to copy into the name string the name Dean. Okay, and I'm next going to use the string concatenate method, so strcat, and I'm going to use the name as the destination and the phrase as the source that's going to concatenate on to Dean. So when I'm done with this, it should print out Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural, which is true. So I'm going to now print f, and we're going to pass in the string, and I want just a new line character, so I'm going to put that in the /n, and then I'm going to, now that we've used the string cat, the name will hold all of that, and I'll close that line. At the end of the main function, I will return 0. I'm going to save this, and let's open a terminal and compile. So we'll do GCC, and then the name of the file will output the same thing except with the out the .c. Okay, so, and now to run it, we'll just type that, and we see it prints out Dean is the coolest character on Supernatural. So I hope you found this video about those two string functions a little bit interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'd also like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.